See what we can't do about catching the fish. As soon as you cut a camera on, the fish want to bite, huh? Oh, see how that works. There's a fish. There he is, right. Oh, I missed him. I missed him. Missed him. And he tried to take my jig. Well, nope, not a jig, but he tried to take my grub off the jig. Just cast back over there. Cast to the side. Okay. Let's see how it is. Oh, let's move up just a little bit. Got a little structure over there we're going to cast up around. There's got to be a fish there. Well, the places you think a fish would be is not always there. But I still think there is one there. Oh, little bitty guy. Little fella. Okay, I'll cast over here then. Oh man, look at this. I got a worm crawling on me. It's an inchworm. Look at that little guy. Throw him in the water. Probably been good bait. Got some good structure right up here. We're gonna fish around. Grab this pole. Fish right there. Is it? Nope. Fish right there. Fish. Fish. Got him, boys. What is it? What is it? Oh man, look at this. I ain't exactly sure what this guy is. It's like he's like one of them hybrid breams. Look at this guy. That's a pretty fish though. It looks like a mix between a bream and a crappie. I forgot what they call them. That's a pretty fish. Pretty fish. I'm turning and I don't need to be turning. Oh, just had a bump, but it wasn't a fish. I think it was algae. Oh, got him. Ooh, that's a nice fish right here now. What is this? Oh, boys, I tell you what, we hooked him kind of funny. But we got on a bream. Pretty fish. Look at that right there. Pretty fish. Ooh, just got on a fish. Just got on a fishy. Another one. Ooh, this thing feels pretty good. Let's see what he is. Oh, another bream. He's still pretty though. Look at that belly on him, man. Real colorful, real pretty. Let's take that jig out of his mouth. Show you. Check him out. Whoa, buddy. Where you going? Oh yeah, that's a nice crappie right there. Look at that crappie. Oh, he's a pretty one. He's a real pretty one. If I can. Ow! Look at him. Oh yeah. That's a pretty crappie. Pretty crappie. Beautiful. That's how big this guy is right here. Right quick. take a measure on my pole. I mean, on my paddle. Oh yeah, he's a nice sized fish. That's a good one. Pretty fishy. Let's cast back out there again. See if there's another one in there. No, got some algae though. I'll cast back in there again, see what happens. Let's do it again. Nope, too much algae. We have to find somewhere else. Ooh, got hooked up on another fish. Oh man, another brim? They've just been a brimmy day. Pretty little fishy. You may have to keep him too for bait. Still a pretty fish though. Still pretty fish. Kinda want another crappie. Or bass. Oh, we got another one. We got another one. And another brim. Another brim. Dude, that dude swallowed that. He wanted that bad. He wanted that real bad. Ow. Got it out. And we're gonna release this guy back here in the back. What we get hooked up on? Oh man, look at that crappie, dude. The colors on him are crazy. Look at this guy. He's really black. If I can get him unhooked. Got him unhooked. Look at this guy. Oh man, that's pretty. That is pretty. Really, really pretty. Tail kind of messed up. Oh, I missed him, man. What in the world? No, no. Come on back. Come on back. Oh. Oh. Woo, by right and went into the tree. That'll happen occasionally. Oh, oh, whoa, we got a fish again. We got another fish, and it's another brim, and it's another brim. Dude, I enjoy catching all fish. I don't care what it is. I enjoy it all. Them brim look so pretty. He ain't gonna open his mouth for. Oh, there he goes. Open your mouth, dude. Open your. Oh, okay. You want to bite? Oh, dude, this is the toughest mouth brim I've ever touched. Check him out. So pretty. Here, fishy. Fishy, fishy. Fishy? No fishy? Whoa. I don't know what that was. That was a little scary. That was a little scary. I don't think that was no fish. I believe that was a beaver. Thought I scared all the fish away too. Mr. Beaver. Oh, fish. Got on another fish. Ooh, pretty fish. That is a pretty crappie. Again. That's what I'm talking about. Ow. I came out here to intentionally catch crappie. But, you know, if something else wants to bite, that's fine too. But check him out, dude. That is so pretty. Pretty fish. Crappie are pretty fish. I don't care what anyone says. They're all beautiful. That's a beautiful fish. I like catfishing, but if crappie want to bite, you know, I'll definitely go out and go catch some crappie. I wasn't expecting to catch. I wasn't expecting to really catch too much. I was just coming out here just to have fun, and you know, that's what happens right there. I enjoy it, man. I enjoy it a lot. I really enjoy fishing. I mean, just look out here, dude. Check this out. I'm gonna pick my camera up to show you. It's so pretty. Peaceful, calm. It's just nice, man. It's really nice. I was gonna change up from a jig to a rooster tail, but I believe I'm gonna stick with this jig right here. Been getting on a few fish with it. I caught a couple off camera, but I got on a couple. I actually caught a nice sized bass way earlier, but with me not having my camera on, I can't really prove it. But yeah, caught a nice bass. Starting to get a little dark on me. I got a good little ways to go back to my truck, but we ain't stopping yet. Fish is still biting. I'ma still fish. Man, that's some structure. That's some structure way up here. I feel like there might be some fish around that. All right, I made it up here around the structure. I've been seeing a little fish activity around it. So maybe we can get on a fish around all this structure right here. Seeing fish activity still don't mean I'm gonna get on one. But hey, I think I got a good chance of getting on something. Oh. I do. Oh yeah. Another crappie. He hit right at the kayak too. Look at this guy. Oh my God. My pole went back in the water again. Dude, we're gonna have to do something about this. Hold on, Mr. Crappie. Oh man. Look at that. Pole went right in the water. It's okay. Ow. Ow. Let's get him, pick him up. See if I can't hang on to him, open him out, but there we go. Check him out. Got on another crappie. Gonna let him go. Gonna let him go. Swim free, dude. Swim free. He hit it. He didn't take it. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Oh man, I got bugs everywhere. They're flying everywhere all around me. Not cool, dude. I had one touch my neck. Come on, Mr. Fishy. Got one. Got one, boys. As soon as I cast it out, it took him. Oh, I think that's another crappie. Yes, it is. Look at it, dude. Oh my God, that's pretty crappy. That's pretty crappy. Oh, I might want to hold him like this. Hopefully, he don't yank. Okay. I thought he was gonna yank it. I didn't want him to get that hook in my finger. Look at that crappie. They're all about the same size, though. Let's see here. Yeah, they all about the same size. I've been measuring. They all keepers. They're all like 8 inches. So it's good fish. Good fish. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. He messed my grub up. It's okay. We have to fix it. We get it fixed, and we get it casted back out in the water. Mosquito bit my arm, like right there, and it itches. We're about to have to turn around and go back. I have no lights. I'm being in the dark. I believe I'm gonna have to give up my fishing for the day. I want to catch at least one more fishy. Catch one more, I'll be satisfied. I don't catch one more, it'd be all right. Whoa, I just hit my camera. I had something biting my arm, it felt like, and I had something biting my jig. Come on, Mr. Fishy, just give me one more fish. One more fish, dude. One just jumped. One just jumped. Let's catch it over there where he jumped at. Alright, I done went up and I'm gonna see if I can't get my last fish because the sun is going down, as you can tell. I fixed this jig right here. Gotta turn the boat, kayak. It's not a boat, but I guess you consider it a boat. Alrighty. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna give it a couple more casts. I don't catch nothing, I'm gonna have to go. For the fish, I got to go. Never made it back before dark. It's dark, and I finally got my kayak loaded up. That was a rough little paddle. I thought I could make it back before dark, but I didn't. But like I said, I appreciate everybody watching the video, and I see everybody on the next one.